Good morning, welcome back my people. It's just a regular routine my people. As a bus driver at the moment. So right now guys, I'm up on my way heading towards a location where some of the guys them stay. So me one of the driver them, so me head go to the location, go pick up the workers, take them up to work, make sure them reach a work, so them can able to start 5:30. Yeah, so we have to make sure them in the bus by 4:30. They leave out like 4:35. Because we have over almost like an hour drive to this location where we actually heading this morning, my people. So as you see, in a bus, I drive to the location. And you know, to the PDM. So you know, after work, we are going to head shopping for food. So I say stay tuned, my people. The man saw me this light bright. Dim. Yeah man. Now I have to come to a stop. I almost reached the location, so I have to come on the opposite side so I can able to make it inside the gateway. This is a gateway. Yeah man. Another bus is already at the location, so you know say the whole heap of workers. You can see the light from the bus. Yes my people. Just pull up on the location. You know me I take my time. Climb up this hill. Wicked. My guys them already start work, but them say I go drive the bus. Take 15 minutes before work, you know, and before the work close, we stop 15 minutes before the time and rest and get a little 15 minutes sleep, because you know, whole heap of life we have in our hands. So yeah, that is it my people. So me head up here now, going on my road and start pick some cherries. So now head up the hill. Is it? So we then I feel now my people. That is it. You can see cherry them. And remember, if I come to you last part of the season.
Searching, you know.
So that's how I go and feel, so feel big. I don't even remember how she part me did there. But sometimes we walk come in and they walk go out, you know. You see me? We play smoke up people. Salt smoke. Have a lot of wildfire burn in Canada. If you know about Canada, you know. It's nature. This time of the year, summertime, lots of wildfire. That's the reason why the place looking like that, guys. Now, baller. Yeah, man. That is it, man. No. Baller all the gully bank in line. See? Pop them off. Yeah, man. One bin drop already. Next one over there, so. So how it look like today now. So now cherry orchard, the people. So I go on. It's a ladder, basket, man at work. That is it. Look how I go on. When cherry sweet, man, you know me people. Man, all I hide basket in a tree. What, see what I go on? Man, now one farmer get basket in him. I hide basket, you see it? Farmer can't get done. So you can't give me one, sir?
Go on.
You see? I told you crave meat a choke you, you know? Basket a choke you. Cyclops. Your party not give you no basket, man. What happened?
Walk and looky.
Ah, yeah, your party I move away. Now move selfish, my friend. That is it, my people. Yeah, man.
No, a different argument that. I can't remember the part. You say you're like half, I'm just afraid I hear that I TikTok pass, you know. We're going to see me all done in Jamaica right now. Let me talk good things. Look how we deal with it. Nice farmland. Sit there. Kick off my boss, Cherry.
Work very hard and nobody to spend on.
Oh Lord, what a wicked junk. Delete that!
Yeah.
No, but how you put this one in people's PTR? Yeah. A break, what I do? The break, man.
So what it look like when the farm worker them roll out, you know. Yeah man, big long busty days. Yeah man, you know, a number one spot by a grocery. Feel Canadian Superstore. Yeah man.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door, I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got moves that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway?
To them up on a small little shopping spree. You know. See if we can get some food.
Are you going to go check?
And the G them outside. Yeah man, baller fully active. No, we get some food, my people. So I go on some snacks. Yeah man, you know it's time hot. You see you get no water, you chicken under this so I go on for your water.
One more day for your shopping again here.
Why?
Next year.
I want a hairstyle, my people. I just pull it out and wash it, you know. I get it. The chance, see. do it as yet. But you know the thing go. Time for that, you know. Time for work and make some money.
Nothing there.
Man say, you know, we have to get up for Gatorade, keep the body hydrated.
See how we are now. Oh, so younger one in there.
Oh?
I want no more thing. Yeah?
Come on.
Fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut rough tab.
Eh?
See me? That. Oh?
What?
Yeah, man. Sweet peppers. It's a day for shopping, my people. See? Get everything.
Yeah. So, sweet pepper for going to the pot, you see, and add pepper. That time I tell him, say, yo, check out here, you see the one with the navel in it.
Yeah,
Orange
man.
are the sweet orange them. Yeah. The next time when you come,
It's a navel orange.
the navel orange, yeah. The one them, especially the one them with the navel. Look on the difference. You see this one? Oh, we know have it. This one with the navel now.
Sweet.
Yeah, so for all of you see next time you come, you look for them type of orange with the navel. You see the difference in them. That's smart. Yeah, I tell you now, if you learn the symbol, you know. If you go there and then you come around, you come around more. You go.
Oh, go on, yeah.
Buy a blind ball up. Mine and you say one. You have one is possible. Going today.
Yeah, man.
Real planting. Don't know.
That is it.
Jamaican style. Yeah.
Say no. Move. Need some Irish potato.
So, 3 and 5 is our flat one. What?
So many people within a fish section, you know. So we have the $5 for this. Our slice of bread, you know, we have about 7 pieces in it. 6 pieces this. 3 plus 3, 6. We have 7 pieces, that's 2, 4, 6, 8. $7. So 8 piece. One more piece or so. Oh, lobster. This one, see one blue writing down the bottom. Down the bottom. Yeah, man.
100%.
Charlie are full up now. See it? Oh, we're there in a snacks area as well. See it? Them are what we just buy now. We just eat them for break with people. You see it? They're outside, active.